Hello guys, you're welcome back to front to back web design process. So in this video, we're going to see how to migrate any kind of WordPress websites, from one domain to another domain or from one hosting to a different hosting. For example, a client can give you a project to work on, and let's say the client has not given you money to buy domain and hosting, and it's something that you can develop this kind of website. You can develop this website on your own hosting plan, or if you have another client's cPanel details, you will be able to use his hosting plan to design or develop this website. Then at the end of the day, when the other clients, let's say pays an advance or give you money for hosting a domain, then you purchase and you'll be able to migrate his website from your own hosting plan to the original or the expected hosting plan of the new client. Okay, so we're going to see how to do that. It's very, very easy. So all you need to do is have a very strong network connection as usual, and you're good to go. So without wasting time, let's jump into it. I'm going to open my browser now. So as you can see on the screen, this is the cPanel, control panel. I actually installed the two WordPress. I've already installed this is the fresh, this is the fresh WordPress, while this is the website that we want to, migrate. We want to migrate this website. Okay, let me open it. I'm going to open it in a new tab. So our job is to migrate this website. We're going to migrate this website to this new freshly installed WordPress. All right. So let me open this so that you see that there is nothing inside. So you can see this is a freshly installed WordPress. There is nothing. I've done nothing. So what we need to do is we need to go to the dashboard of this freshly installed website, WordPress. So let me open it in a new tab. You can see this is the, sorry, not this. Let's go to the dashboard. So this is the freshly installed WordPress. All right, there's nothing here. If I go to, let's say, pages, you're going to see we only have two pages. Okay, so what we need to do here is I'm going to delete all these pages. So I'll select everything at once by clicking on this. Then I'll click on bulk action. I'll click on move to trash, and I'll click on apply. Okay, to remove all the pages. I'll also go to trash. I'll highlight everything here. Bulk action. I'll click on permanently delete, and I'll click on apply. Okay, so let's go to comments. There's only one comment here. I'll select it also. I'll click on bulk action. I'll click on move to trash, and I'll click on apply. So I'm trying to make sure that everything in this WordPress is emptied. So let's go to the website. So this is the website I want to migrate. Okay, you can see the URL. This one is store.apexfabrics.com, while the new one that we just installed is, let's see, where is it? Okay, there's nothing here. Let me open it in a new tab. So you can see this one is tech.apexfabrics, while this one is store.apexfabrics.com. All right. So we want to bring this website we want to migrate it from here to this tech.apexfabrics. So what's the first thing to do? Now, what you need to do is you need to go to the website that you want to migrate. Go to the dashboard of the WordPress that contains the website that you want to migrate. So you need to go to plugins. You click on add plugins. To migrate a website, there is actually a plugin that will help us to do that. And the name of the plugin here is we're going to call it WP Migrate. All right, so that is the name of the plugin. WP all-in-one WP Migrate. That is the name. Well, if you type WP Migrate, you're expected to see it. So this is the plugin here. You can see this is all-in-one WP Migrate and backup. So this is the plugin that will help us to do that. So we just need to click on install. Wait for it to install. So when it is done installing, we need to activate it. So I'll click on activate. Okay, so we've successfully activated this plugin. Now let's go to the WordPress dashboard that you want to migrate this website to. So which is this. You can see this is the freshly installed WordPress dashboard. So we'll need to go to plugin also. We'll click on add plugin. All right, so let's install the same plugin all in one WP Migrate. Just put all in one WP Migrate. So that's the plugin. What it means is you need to have this plugin installed on the two WordPress, dashboard. So it has been installed. I'll quickly activate it. Okay, so we've successfully installed and also activated this plugin on the two, WordPress dashboards. So the next thing we need to do here is let's close this. I'm going to close this website. So I'm currently in the WordPress dashboard that contains the website I want to copy. So we'll scroll down. We're going to see all. This is the plugin. By the left hand side, you're going to see under tools. There's a plugin called All-in-One WP Migrate. So if you view it carefully, you're going to see we have export, we have import, then we have backup. All right. So we want to export this website because this WordPress dashboard contains the website that we want to migrate. So here we'll be clicking export. Export, like we want to export this website. All right. We want to push it out of this WordPress dashboard. We want to have a copy of this website of the website that is in this WordPress dashboard. So I'll click on export. All right, so export, I'll click on, it says export site to. So I'll click on this and I'm going to select file. So we'll wait for it to prepare to export. So we're going to wait for it. It's going to create, folders, files, it will try to prepare all the files that will need to be copied. So let's wait for it. You can see the process that it's taking. 99 completed, okay, 34 complete. It's working on the media files now. In fact, you can get a client that maybe has an old website and maybe he probably changed the hosting plan or he changed his domain and he wants you to migrate his website from the old hosting plan to the new hosting plan. This is how easy, you're going to get it done. And of course, you get paid for the service. Okay, I think it's working on the database now. All right, so as you can see, everything is set. It says download the store.apex.com. All right, so you can see the file size 254 MB. So all I need to do is to click on this button to download. You notice that on this download option, you're going to see it's downloading. So depending on the content that you have on your website, depending on the size of your website, that will determine how long it's going to take to download the complete website. So while doing this process, you need to ensure you have a very strong in, internet connection. So we're going to wait for this download process to complete. So what I'll do is I think I'm going to pause this so that I don't want this video to be long. I'm going to pause this. When it's done downloading, we'll come back. So as you can see, it's almost done. All right, so yes, it is done, downloading. So you can see the file is available in the download, folder. So when you're done exporting this, so you need to go to the WordPress dashboard that you want to upload this file. you want to migrate this website to. I think this is it. If you go to pages, this pages is supposed to be empty. Yes. So this is the dashboard of the. This is the WordPress dashboard where we want to um migrate the websites to. So here, what we need to do is we need to go to all-in-one WP migration plugin. Now, instead of exports, we're going to select import. Okay, we're going to, because we are importing the websites to this WordPress, dashboard. So I'm going to click on import. Of course, it's going to come up with this. So we'll click on this, import from, then we'll select file. All right, so it will take us to our computer. Now we need to navigate to downloads, right? We're going to locate download. Where is download? Okay, we'll locate download, and you can see this is the file that we just downloaded. All right, so I'm going to select this, and I'll click on open. Now, notice that it says your file exceed the 2 MB, upload limit set by your host. So what it means is we cannot upload anything higher than 2 MB. Okay. Now, of course, we don't need to panic. There's a solution to this. So what we need to do is to close this. Then we need to upload a theme. Sorry, a plugin. Is a premium plugin. I think this all-in-one WP migration plugin is a free plugin. Now there is a premium plugin that will help us to you know download, or sorry, import a website that the size is bigger than 2 MB. All right. Now we need to add that plugin. So we'll just go to plugin. We'll click on add plugin. I'm going to install it. I'll click on upload. I'll click on choose file. Don't worry, you're going to get this particular plugin also. So I'll click on choose file. We'll go to desktop, and you can see all-in-one WP migration. You can upload any website, up to 100 gig. Okay, so this is more than enough. I'm going to upload this, and I'll click on install. We're going to install this. Okay, it's telling us that there is a WP all-in-one WP migration plugin installed. Do you want to replace this? We say yes, replace with the current plugin. So we are done installing, and boom, we are good to go. So let's go back to dashboard. Now we'll go to the plugin again. We'll select import. We're going to select import from file. All right, so let's go to downloads, right? Then we'll select the copy of that um, website. Then we'll click on open. As you can see, it will start importing the complete website. At this point, you don't need to have any internet disruption. All right. You must ensure that your internet is constant, because even if it gets to 99% and there was an interruption of your, let's say, network or your system, or you close the tab or something, you have to start the process from beginning. You will have to start the importation, from start, from the beginning. Okay, so while it is running this, you can go ahead and um, continue with, your daily activities until it gets to 100%. So I don't want this video to be long. I'm going to pause this. When it is done importing, I'll come back. Okay, so as you can see, it has gotten to 55.55%. So this is more than half. So let's still wait for it to complete. Okay, guys, I think it's almost done. All right, so checking extensions compatibility, of course. So you can see it's done importing. So the import process will override your websites, including the database, whatever. So it's trying to tell you that the current website that we're uploading is going to override whatever thing that is on your WordPress. Okay, we'll just say yes, proceed. So done preparing blogs. Okay, it says please do not close this browser window on your or your import will fail. Like I've told you before, once there is any interruption, you have to start from beginning. All right, so let's wait for it to finish restoring all the files. So you can see your data has been imported successfully. What you need to do now is what? You must save your permalink structure twice. And if you feel like it's three times. So what they're just saying is you need to go to permalinks on settings and save that permalink twice. Okay. So we'll just say close and we'll head to settings. This is permalink. We'll click on permalink. But then you need to provide the login details for the WordPress, of the website you just imported. All right. So I think this is, if I can still remember, this is admin. Admin. So I think the password. What's the password? Let me see. Hope I'll still remember this password. Wow. Admin. I need to have what's the password? I've forgotten what I use as a password. So click on login. Yes. I was lucky to, remember the password. So here, permalink structure, I think we'll change it from day and name to post name. All right. So it says we should save this place twice. So I'll click on save one. Then I'll go again. I'll click on save. I said you can do it three times if you want. All right. So everything is set. Now I think this is the site. Now let's refresh the site to see what we have. This is what we're having, but now, boom, you can see we have imported the website, successfully. So this is how easy it is to migrate any kind of WordPress website. Let's go to the other one. This is where we downloaded. So I'll just click on close. We are done with this. And let's visit this also. You notice that this is the original site. The URL is store.apexfabrics.com. Now this is where we transferred it to. You can see it is tech.apexfabrics.com. If I refresh this, we still have it. So everything is intact. So this is how easy it is to migrate, the website. All right. So when you complete a project on your domain and you want to transfer it to a different domain or to your client's domain, this is how easy to get it done. All right, guys. So I don't think there is anything we need to do again. Okay. So this is how easy it is to complete this process. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and most importantly, subscribe to the YouTube channel. All right. So looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye for now.